Welcome to this week's home tour video. I'm Shannon Larsen, your local Las Vegas realtor. I'm out here at Quinn Canyon by America West Homes. This is in the beautiful southwest area of town, just right outside the master plan community of Southern Highlands. The model that we're going to be touring today is the Paloverde model. Now this model is a 3-story home, has over 3,000 square feet, and it has a lot of generous space. On the first floor, you're going to find a private retreat for visiting friends or family members. Plus, it has its own full bath and a game room. Moving up to the second floor, it has a big kitchen with a really gorgeous open island with a huge gathering room. Right next to the gathering room is a sunlit cafe, and then on the other side of the room is a dining flex space. So it'll give you a lot of options. Moving up to the third floor, you're going to find the main owner's suite plus the 3 additional bedrooms. So sit back and enjoy the tour of this beautiful home. And if you have any questions, please contact me directly. enjoyed this home tour. If this model is a home you're interested in, contact me right away. If you're looking for something a little bit different, Quinn Canyon, they do have several other model options available as well. Plus, I have relationships with a lot of different home builders here throughout the Las Vegas area. I definitely want to be your #1 resource here in the Las Vegas area. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.